Hi and welcome to this edition of Out the Box. My name's Paul. Today we're going to have a look at what is in this small box. I'm really excited about this because when Ubiquiti brought out the G4 doorbell, the one thing that everybody started saying is, what chimes do we use with it? So we've been trying to find mechanical ones, digital ones. There's lots of forum postings of different ways that people have got it working. All right, but right now, Ubiquiti have released the G4 Doorbell Chime. All right, this is it. Here we'll have a look in a moment, but in that box you are going to get your little get started guide. All right, nothing too exciting there, and a little manual for you to look through, neither of which you will probably do anything with. Then actually let's have a look at the device itself. All right, so this is the European model. As you can just see here by the power adapter at the back. One thing I've noticed, very simple, this is actually all welded or molded seemingly together. So obviously we're here in Australia, lower population density than America and Europe. So it's probably going to take a little bit while, is my guess, for us to see a true Australian power adapter version here. But at least we know it's on the way. Now, I found this incredibly easy to set up. You basically just plug this in. I then, once it's plugged in and powered up, just to the mains, I started up the app on my phone, the Unify Protect app on my phone. It said, hey, I've discovered a new device, which I believe it does over Bluetooth. It then asks you which Wi-Fi network and password do you want it to join to. Within 60 seconds, it had found the doorbell, paired with the doorbell. And now when I push the doorbell outside, I've got a chime inside, as simple as that. At the moment, the app allows you to change the volume, and it only seemingly has one chime, but maybe more options will come in different firmware releases. So let me just show you that again. There's the front, the side there that you can see with the reset switch, your reset button. And like I said, this is the European model, so it's got the European power plug at the end. So hopefully that's been useful. Do head on over to our YouTube channel. We've got plenty more box openings on firewalls, network and wireless devices. We've got how-to guides on how to set up Unify Protect or do point-to-point. We've also got things on firewalls and making a network safe using those. So do subscribe and stay up to date.